Over 2 billion people use WhatsApp, but what if your businesses and your customers or potential clients are messaging you and you simply don't have the time or manpower to reply 24/7? See, every delayed response can mean a lost opportunity, a mislead, or even a lost sale. In today's fast-paced digital world, people expect instant replies, and if you can't provide that, they quickly move on to someone else. So how do you stay available all time without being glued to your phone? The answer is WhatsApp Chatbot that can instantly respond, handle customer queries, and even convert leads for you completely automatically. And that's exactly where Pabbly Chatflow comes in. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a powerful WhatsApp chatbot using this tool that can instantly reply to your leads, sends them a professional welcome message, continue the conversation automatically, and even guide them towards booking your services. And the best part is you don't need any coding skills or a big team to make this work. With Pabbly Chatflow, you can design complete conversation flows, automate follow-ups, and turn your WhatsApp into a fully functional sales system that works for your digital marketing business 24/7 even when you are offline. So let me show you how the bot actually works in real time. So at first, the user will receive high converting template message from your site just like this. This message is designed to grab attention instantly, showcase your offers, and create urgency with things like limited slot available. It includes a clear call to action button like book my slot, making it super easy for the user to take the next step. Now, as soon as the user clicks that button, the chatbot takes over the entire conversation. It instantly responds with a friendly message and start asking relevant questions like what type of design are you interested in, with one option in the form of list. After that, based on the user selection, like I have selected social media design, the bot intelligently moves the conversation forward by asking for the date that when they would like to connect, full name, and their contact details. Everything happens automatically, step by step, without any manual efforts. And as you can see, by the end of the conversation, the bot successfully captures all the important information and even confirms the slot booking instantly. That dynamically includes all the leads that the user will send. So instead of just chatting, your WhatsApp becomes a complete automated lead generation and booking system that works for you 24/7. And this is the flow of this chatbot that I have designed inside Pabbly Chatflow. This is the simplest way of creating a WhatsApp chatbot. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this flow step by step. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you find out this interesting and you want to create the same chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign-in process, you will come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. See, adding a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account is the important step. You have to add it. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Now, on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So I am directly going in this flows feature. See, this is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder page. Here you can create and manage all of your static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of creating your flow. At first, you have to give the name to your flow, that's what you are creating. So here I am entering my flow name as WhatsApp chatbot setup, easy, fast, free. So this is the name I have chosen by myself, but you can give the name to your bot by your choice. After giving the name, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there, and these are everything. Means these are the bricks of creating a WhatsApp chatbot. In few minutes, you will understand the working of all these buttons more clearly. And on the right hand side, there are two options. The one is active inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And another one is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. You can choose anyone from here by your own choice. Here I'm selecting my trigger event as template selected. After that, I'm selecting the template by clicking on this option. Here I want to upload the template for digital marketing businesses, as I am designing this flow especially for digital marketing agencies. But whether you run a real estate service based or any other business, you can customize the same flow for that too. See, this is the template that I have already designed with. Now what is template? Wait, I'll explain you everything. Now for creating this template, you have to go in this templates feature. Everything is present inside this amazing tool. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp template for your different type of businesses. See, templates are the predefined messages. It is used for easy access and scale communication. In simple terms, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. You can create a template by using AI too, so you don't have to do anything manually. Just go with this and follow the instruction. Here I want to design a template for my choice, so I am clicking on this plus add template button. See, this is the starting point of creating your template. At first you have to select the template category. Here I am selecting it as in marketing. Next you have to give the template name that I am giving as digital marketing business. After giving the name, I am selecting the language as English. Next, the variable I'm selecting as name. Next, you have to design a template. It will provide you multiple types of options. I'm selecting as text. After that, you have to enter the header in this field if you want to. Here I'm not entering. And in this template format box, you have to enter the template content that I'm entering as one design that actually gets attention. Your brand deserves more than average visuals. Limited slots available this week. So I have designed this template content by my choice, but you can customize it. And on the right hand side, you will see the final look of the template that are going to visible in front of your user. The footer is an optional. You can give it if you want to. After that, I'm selecting the interactive action as quick reply and entering a button name as book my slot. After giving the button and designing the template, you have to click on the submit button. And after some time, your templates get approved by Meta. See, this is the template that I have designed before. So this is how easily you can design a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. And you know what is the best part? You can actually send this exact template message to 100 or 1000 plus users at the same time. Yes, you heard the right. Imagine reaching hundreds or even thousands of potential clients instantly on WhatsApp without typing a single message manually. So watch this video till the end, because trust me, at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal one powerful feature that most people don't even know about, which lets you to broadcast this template to 1000 plus users in just one click. So make sure to watch this video till the end. After designing the template, now we will go back to our flow. Here, after selecting the template, let's say the user will click on this book my slot button, then my bot will reply to them by asking them about their interest. So for setting up this type of messages, I am adding one list button from here. See, this list button is divided in three parts, name as header, body and footer, where in this case I'm not writing any header or footer, so I'm leaving these blank and directly writing a message in this enter body box. As awesome. Let's get the right for you. What type of design are you interested in? After that, I am clicking on this H section button and entering a section title as interested design. Next, I will click on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I want to add a list of types of interested designs. See, I have added the first one is logo design, next one is social media design, and the last one is branding kits. Here I added only 3 types of designs, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. After After that, I'm linking this circle which represents in front of book my slot to this list button. Now when the user will select their interest, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. For that, I will click on this actions option and heading button is set custom field. After that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as product interested, and in this enter value box I'm going to write this, that is logo design, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this interested designs. That's why I am linking this to this. Now I'm going to explain you why we use this contact custom field not here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for reading this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this. I am opening this in a new tab. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of businesses. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, interested product, contact number, and many more. In simple terms, contact custom fields makes data dynamic completely based on the user input. For example, in this list I have selected my interest as social media design. At the end in this message, the bot will automatically mention my choice. So this is how contact custom field works. When you scroll down, you will see one option by the name of plus add more field. You have to click on this option. After that, enter the field here and also give the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of product interested, so I am not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field not specifically for this. Now I'm going to the setup of two more contact custom field not for both of this two. Here I have added, as you can see that I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes, but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in the center title box. You have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized request receive message to the users completely based on their input, exactly same that I have explained you here. Moving forward to the next one, when the user will select their interest, then my bot will ask them to share the date that when they would like to connect. So for that, I'm adding one ask question button and entering a question as great choice, when would you like to connect. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as date. Here I'm selecting the contact custom field by my choice. You can change it completely based on your own choice. After that, the format I'm selecting as any. Next, I am linking all these three contact custom field not circle to this question box. The connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now when the user will share the date that when they would like to connect, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name and their contact number. So for that, I am again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding two more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added where in this question box I write that please provide your full name. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as full name and the format is text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will re-attempt the question that you have right in this field. It also means that whenever the user will not reply to your bot in the correct format that you will select from this list. For example, here I have selected the format is text, but user will reply to the bot in the format of number. Then in those type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts for our users so that they can re-attempt the question. In simple terms, it gives the retry attempts to the user for giving the reply of this question. Whenever you increase the number of attempts, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For example, please share name in the correct format. So this is how it works. Here I'm not adding. Here I'm giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, in this box I write that nice to meet you with dollar symbol full name. What's the best number to reach you? As you can see that I have used the dollar symbol before this full name field, because with the help of this symbol, the bot will reply to the users dynamically. As in this step, whenever the user will share their full name, then the bot will automatically capture the user's provided response, just like this. Here I have given my full name as a smart user and the bot will mention smart user here. It is only made possible with the help of this contact custom field node and this dollar symbol that we have used. So this is how it works. Now I am moving to the last one. When all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one slot booking request received message to the user that dynamically includes all their selected details. So for that, I am clicking on the circle, dragging a line and selecting the content and this text button and entering the message in this enter message box. Here I have entered. It has slot booking successfully, name with dollar symbol, full name, dollar symbol, product interested and date. As I have used the dollar symbol here for rest of these contact custom fields. Now our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button to save your flow and it says that flow updated successfully. Now I'm going to explain you how this bot will works in real time by sending this template message to my user for the testing purpose. So for sending it, you have to go in this inbox feature. After that, select the contact on warm. You have to send the template message. Next, click on this button. After that, select the template that I'm selecting this and click on the send button and you will see the template is sent successfully and immediately I received here 2 with one button by the name of book my slot. Once I click on this button, then you will see it says that awesome, let's get right for you. What type of design are you interested in? With one option in the form of list. Once I click on it, it will provide me the types of designs. Let's say I am interested in logo design, so I am selecting this option. Then you will see it says that great choice, when would you like to connect? So I am replying as today. After that, it will ask me for my full name that I am giving as test user. As it is visible that how smartly the bot is asking me all the questions that I have entered in each of these question notes. You will see it says that nice to meet you test user, what's the best number to reach you? It will automatically mention the test user here, exactly same that I have given. Lastly, I am sending one test contact number. Then you will see I have received one customized message from the bot that includes my name as a test user, design type as logo design, exactly same that I have selected from this list, preferred date as today, and the message that exact timing will be shared with you shortly. Our designer will connect with you soon to confirm your session. So see, this is how easily you can design an automated WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now comes to the most important part for sending this type of template message to multiple users at the same time. You have to use this broadcast feature that were present inside Pabbly Chatflow. This is the amazing feature to send bulk messages without getting banned. So if you want me to create a detailed separate video of how you can send this template message to all of your users at the same time, then comment it. I will create a tutorial on it too. So now I am going to end this tutorial. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will give instant replies to your users in real time like this, even while you are sleeping. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing tool, Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.